Shasha. Today I will show how I clean the data using SES Enterprise Guide. There are 5 data, but only 3 that were needed to clean. First of all, the 2 data that were unchanged were married couple status in resident household and resident working person aged 15 years and over by planning area and travelling time to work. As you can see, I've combined the total variable name and year variable name into one variable name, total hyphen and then the year. This way, the software can detect the variable names easily in one row. This change was made manually in the Excel. For the resident working person aged 15 years and over by planning area and travelling time to work, the data is originally neatly organized, with the group variables of planning area and different travelling time to work. As for resident population by planning area, subzone and age group, I have done filtering and sorting. I have selected all variables except subzone. As for this data, I would only like to see the general planning area. To remove the data of subzones, I have filtered and only select the planning area. I used planning area as the chosen variable name, equal to all the planning area data with all connection, as if I were to use the AND connection, the filtered data will not be displayed. This is the output data that displays the selected variables and numbers, which is more neat and easier to understand. Same goes for the resident population by planning area, subzone and type of dwelling. I've selected all variables except subzone and filter away all the subzone data. I've also sort the data according to the planning area in ascending order. The reason why I did not filter away the planning area with 0 value is because so that later on it is easier to link with the planning area from other data in ClickView. This way there's a lot of conclusion that can be gathered from the ClickView. Lastly, for the resident population by planning area, subzone, ethnic group and sex, I've made a change manually in Excel by removing the sex so that it is easier to read the data. This way there will only be total value. Again, I've selected all variables except subzone, then filter away the subzone values with sorting the data by planning area in ascending order. To ensure the results are correct, the numbers of row or number of planning areas should be tallied, which is 55. This is the end of my presentation for my SES data cleaning. Thank you.